Space robots can help, augment and substitute for the astronauts to do difficult tasks such as repairs in dangerous environments, and they take videos and pictures. They work automatically or by remote control, and they are under development for the International Space Station. Space robots include all types of flying robots, the smart bird robotic seagull and the Raven surveillance drone, robots that can operate in space, such as Mars rovers and NASA's Robotic, space robots such as robots used on the International Space Station, Canadarm that was used in shuttles, as well as Mars rovers and other robots used in space. Space robots can explore space without having to worry about their safety. They can send us information about their destinations. If the robotic mission fails, the humans involved with the mission stay safe. Space robots can survive in space for many years and can be left out there. Sending robots are cheaper than sending a human. They don't need to eat or sleep or go to the bathroom. Space robots can do lots of things that humans can't. They can withstand harsh conditions, like extreme temperatures or high levels of radiation, and they can do things that would be too risky or impossible for astronauts.